You know, it feels like every single week a new AI creative tool pops up, promising it's going to change everything. And with all that excitement, there's also that familiar hesitation, right? Another subscription, another trial where you have to pull out your credit card just to see if you even like it. Well, today we're going to look at a totally different approach.
I mean, let's be real for a second. We have all been there. You find this tool that looks absolutely amazing, but the second it asks for your card details for a free trial, you just stop. It's a roadblock. It's that little bit of friction that can totally kill a creative spark before it even gets going. But what if you could just try it? For real, no strings attached. And that's exactly the whole idea behind the Cliprise free plan. This isn't one of those sneaky 7-day trials that you forget to cancel. Nope. It's a genuine, completely risk-free starting point for anyone who's curious about creating with AI, whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro just wanting to kick the tires. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty, because this is what really matters. It is $0 a month. But the most important part, the absolute game changer, is that no credit card is required to get started. You sign up and boom, you get instant access. This is how you know it's a real, legitimate free plan for you to explore, not just some temporary teaser.
So what does this real plan actually get you? This is where it gets really interesting. We're not talking about a couple of credits that just vanish after you use them once. We are talking about a daily toolkit that lets you constantly experiment and make new stuff.
Every single day, your account gets a fresh drop of 30 credits, and this is designed to encourage you to create every day. You don't have to be precious with them or save them up. You can go totally wild today, knowing that tomorrow you get another 30 to try something completely different. It's like a creative playground that just resets every 24 hours. And on top of those daily credits for images, you also get one free video generation. Now, in the AI world, video is almost always a premium paid feature, so this is huge. You get to test out powerful video models like Juan and really get a feel for that text-to-video magic, all without spending a single cent. It's a fantastic way to see the full power of the platform.
All right, so 30 credits. That sounds pretty good, but what does that actually mean? Like, what can you make? It's a totally fair question. A number doesn't mean a whole lot until you see what it can actually produce. So, let's break it down.
This really shows you how flexible the plan is. You've got options. If you just want to brainstorm and get a bunch of ideas out, you could use a model like Z-Image and pump out up to 15 images a day. Or, if you have a more specific vision, you can use those same 30 credits to make 5 really high-quality images with DALL-E 4.0, or maybe 3 images with super powerful models like Imagen or Flux Pro. It's all up to you and what your creative goal is for the day.
And listen, your free access is so much more than just hitting the generate button. You get the entire suite of creative tools. That means you can take the images you make and then edit them, add text, throw on some filters, mess with layers. All of that costs 0 credits. Plus, you can earn even more credits with referral rewards and get inspired by seeing what everybody else is making in the community feed. It's a whole creative ecosystem. Okay, so with all these tools and options, you might be thinking, all right, is this going to be complicated to use? Well, the whole platform is built to be incredibly simple and intuitive. Making your very first image is literally this easy. Just 4 steps. You pick a model, you write a little description of what you're imagining, you hit generate, and a few seconds later, your brand new creation is sitting there in your personal library. That's it. There's no big learning curve. You can go from just a thought in your head to a finished image in less than a minute.
Now, after you've been using the free plan for a bit, testing ideas, getting a feel for the models, creating stuff every day, you might find yourself wanting to tackle bigger projects or just generate more. And when that happens, Cliprise makes that next step super straightforward and transparent.
So think of it this way. The free plan is absolutely perfect for testing, exploring, and for those daily sparks of creativity. But when you're ready to level up, the starter plan is the logical next step. You get a big bundle of 900 credits a month, and you unlock access to even more advanced video models like VO 3.1, Fast, and Sora 2. It's just perfect for when your creative ambitions start to grow.
So, it all comes back to this one thing. That barrier to entry? It's gone. There's a full creative suite just waiting for you with fresh credits showing up every single day, and you don't even need a credit card. The only thing left to do is to start creating. So the real question isn't if you should try it, but what amazing or wild or beautiful idea are you going to bring to life first? What will you create?